often get the question, how many spouses can draw Social Security off of one ex-husband? So you were married to a man that you were married, legally married for at least 10 years, and you divorced. You have not remarried, okay? You did not remarry. He can remarry as many times as he wants. You can still draw benefits once you reach the age of 62 off of your own earning history. But if 50% of his earning history is higher than 100% of yours, you want to take the higher amount. And you're able to do that without his permission, without his consent, without his knowledge, okay? The Social Security office will give you that higher amount. Now, if he's been married 3 times and divorced 3 times, and all those marriages lasted 10 years, then all these spouses are eligible, like you, to either take their own earning history or to draw off of his, if his is higher. Okay, so now we get a little tricky. Social Security is only going to allow the total amount of people drawing off this one worker to total 150 to 180% of his earnings. So while it's true, all these women can draw off him, you guys all might get a lesser amount, okay? So everybody can draw, but everybody will be reduced if there's so many ex-spouses that it exceeds the threshold Social Security allows for the total off of one earner. So my family here at the Medicare Family, we're ready, willing, and able to answer your questions about Medicare and many of them about Social Security. Never costs to work with an agent here. So call us, comment, email us, and let us help you with your needs when you're ready for retirement.